this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy stuff online with Apple Pay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use Apple Pay to make purchases online. To do this, you will need to add a card or a payment method to your wallet. So open the Apple Wallet first, and in here, tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. By tapping the plus sign, you will see all of the items that can be added, including a debit or credit card. So choose the option to add a new payment method, select debit or credit card, and proceed with the instructions here. You can either use your camera to scan the card, which automatically fills out all of the details, or enter them manually, whatever you prefer. Once you choose either of these options, you will have to verify all of the information, so the name and then the card number, alongside the expiration date, security code, and so on. The last thing that you have to do is verify that you are the owner of the card, so they will give you plenty of options like a text message, a call, opening up the bank app referring to the card, and so on. Choose any of them and proceed with the verification steps. This will be necessary, otherwise the card will not be usable. Then you can tap next, and the card should be added onto your Apple Wallet. Once the card appears here, you will now be able to issue payments. Now, if you want to do an in-store payment, double-click the side button. You will see the Face or Touch ID confirmation, and you can physically place your phone on the card reader to issue the payment after selecting the card. If you are doing it online, however, it's as simple as proceeding to checkout and finding the option to buy with Apple Pay. If you don't see Apple Pay available as a payment method, it means that that specific store or location does not accept Apple Pay. So you need to find Apple Pay among the payment methods. Not all stores are going to accept it, but if you see Apple Pay, choose the option to buy using Apple Pay and confirm using the side button, Face ID, Touch ID, whatever verification method you have. Ensure that you selected the correct payment method and you will be able to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy stuff online with Apple Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.